Imagine a world where robots can repair themselves, artificial skin can heal like human flesh, and medical devices can regenerate damage on their own. Well, scientists have just made a breakthrough that could make this future a reality, a self-healing hydrogel that mimics human skin. Researchers from Aalto University and the University of Bayreuth have developed a new type of hydrogel that's not just flexible but also self-repairing, a challenge that scientists have been trying to solve for years. Their findings, published in Nature Materials, could revolutionize soft robotics, wound healing, and artificial skin. But how does it work? Hydrogels are already used in wound dressings, drug delivery, and tissue engineering because they retain water and are highly flexible. But until now, scientists struggled to create a hydrogel that could be both strong and self-healing. The breakthrough came when researchers added ultra-thin clay nanosheets to the hydrogel structure. These nanosheets, combined with a special polymer entanglement process, gave the material the perfect balance of strength and flexibility, just like human skin. The process is fascinating. First, scientists mixed water containing these nanosheets with a special polymer powder. Then they exposed the mixture to UV light, triggering a chemical reaction that transformed it into a solid gel, similar to how gel nail polish hardens under UV lamps. To test its self-healing abilities, researchers cut the gel with a knife. After just 4 hours, it was nearly 90% repaired. And after 24 hours it was fully restored without any external intervention. But why is this discovery such a big deal? Think about surgical robots that can self-repair, prosthetic limbs with skin-like properties, or synthetic tissues that heal just like natural ones. This could lead to medical implants that last longer, require fewer replacements, and reduce the risk of complications. Beyond medicine, this hydrogel could revolutionize soft robotics. Imagine humanoid robots with skin that regenerates after damage, or flexible robotic systems that can repair themselves in harsh environments. The research is still in its early stages, but the potential is game-changing. Scientists believe this discovery could rewrite the rules of material design and open new doors for biomedical engineering. What do you think? Could self-healing materials be the future of robotics and medicine? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more groundbreaking science updates.